we're back. We're back with another travel vlog. This time we've got a juicy camper van and we're doing Northern New South Wales. So first stop, heading to Byron Bay, going to the farm on the way in. We're going to check out all the animals, the farm, hopefully get something nice for lunch, and then head into town and probably head up to the lighthouse for sunset. And yeah, looking forward to this one. Stick along and I'll take you all through Northern New South Wales with me. Just cruising through the macadamia trees here at the farm, looking at all the animals around us. How cool is this? Hello. Oh, you got a nice coat. That food was unreal, but couldn't go past the ice cream shop on the way out of the farm. So awesome place here, heaps of cool animals. Sun's going down, so gonna head through town, check out town. Wait. And then go up to the lighthouse for sunset. Put the drone up and check out the scenes up there. Just walking up to the lighthouse and gonna chill up here for sunset, watch the sunset, look at the lighthouse. It's bloody beautiful up here. Okay, I was going to jump on here and say what a bloody amazing morning it's been. Put the drone up, got an epic sunrise, flew it out to Julian Rocks, got some really cool footage out there, had the most unreal footage, and we're going to start our day by going out to the waterfalls, but I crashed the drone into the water. I went snorkeling for like an hour or so to try and find it, but I couldn't find it. So here we are in the car park at the shops and had to buy a brand new drone. Yeah, it's been an expensive morning. Got a new drone though, so we can get back out on the road now. Hopefully get a lot of the new shots. But as you can probably see, the weather has taken a turn and it's meant to be raining. So nothing at all is going to plan for this trip. But hey, sometimes you get that and just got to roll with it. So time to unbox a new drone and let's get out there and see what we can get. First flight with the new drone done, and we didn't crash it into the water, so let's go check out the falls.
feeling you can't ignore it. I'm ready to break down the door, settle the score, can't let you go away. I miss a smile on your face, know that I love the taste. You told me once that I was crazy, I said, baby girl, I know, but I can't let you go away, so don't you get me started now. I want it, yes, I don't want maybes, cause they leave me where you found me, so don't leave. You can't ignore. Say hey, she coming my way. She went around saying whatever she wanna say. I told her I don't wanna have to do this every day. Told her that I love her, but she thinking it's a game. Oh no, now she uncomfortable. Never wanna make it feel one dimensional. Oh yeah, oh nah. Don't know how we got here. Don't you get me started now. You told me once that I was crazy. I said, baby girl, I know, but I can't let you go away. So don't you get me started now. I want it, yes, I don't want maybes, cause they leave me where you found me. So don't leave. Ooh, I just love the way you got me feeling. Love the feeling. Feels like ooh, take away the pain. Baby, I'm feeling. Baby, I'm feeling. I don't need anything more. Be the wave, I'll be the shore. Crashing all over me.
Whoa, what a day yesterday. So we drove all the way down to Yamba and just stopped off at some cute little coastal towns through northern New South Wales. It's so beautiful, love all the headlands and little surfing spots. But that's probably the end of our northern New South Wales trip, unfortunately, due to losing 3 or 4 days of footage with the drone going in the ocean, literally right behind me. Really throwing a spanner in the works, but hey, that's life and these things happen. And yeah, I'll see you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching.